Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls or something, or you just don't want people to be able to reach out to you. For that, you need to go to your setting, go to your phone icon, go to the three little dots here, go to settings, and first of all you have caller ID and spam. Here you can say to identify business and spam and numbers, and then you can also say filter spam calls. If you go back and go to block numbers, you can enable the unknown here, so block calls from unidentified callers, and you can also add a number here, so like, I don't know, from private persons that you do not want to be able to reach out to you. If you've done that, you can easily just go back and then hopefully enjoy the silence, because all these numbers won't be able to reach out to you anymore. So that's how you can block numbers on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.